The Crystal Quest Tannin Whole House Water Filter. If you're looking for a top-tier filtration option, the Crystal Quest Tannin Filter system could be your best option. Capable of removing tannins down to 5 parts per million, it will rid your tannin drinking water problems once and for all. The Crystal Quest Tannin Water Filter automatically removes tannins within the filter bed with a self-backwashing system. The Tannin Water Filter uses a microprocessor control valve mounted to the top of the Crystal Quest system. When the meter reaches your predefined level of water, it initiates a backwash cycle that cleans the filtration media bed and resets for the next cycle. To ensure top performance, the Crystal Quest system also includes 20-inch pre- and post-filtration cartridges that remove sediments, silt, VOCs, insecticides, and any remaining industrial chemicals. The Crystal Quest Tannin Water Filter is very low maintenance, requiring only sodium or potassium pellet replacements for your brine tank. And for added peace of mind, the system comes with a 1-year warranty and a performance guarantee. Here are the pros. Effectively removes tannins down to 5 parts per million. Requires very little ongoing maintenance. It comes in both fiberglass or stainless steel housings. It has a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. Here are the cons. Likely will require professional installation. Best if paired with a water softener to reduce hardness. You may be able to ignore your tannin problem for a while. Over time, however, you will begin to notice the effects more and more. Anything that carries the flow of tannin water will be affected. All of your sinks, showers, and bathtubs will become stained. The best first step is to purchase a water test kit that includes tannins so that you can know for sure. We'll include a test kit in the links below. Check the description box below for more water filtration information and special discount prices. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single video of your favorite products. Thanks for watching and see you next time.